Hello, and today I am going to show you how to turn on and use live captions and subtitles in Office 365 PowerPoint. Right now I'm using screencast-o-matic, so that way you guys can see what I am doing. This is a great tool to show the screen and what you are doing on the computer to show how it works. So to start, for one thing, is that you need to use Office 365 because it is online, connected through your OneDrive. It needs to be connected to internet, the PowerPoint itself, to be able to use live subtitles and captions, because if you want to, let's say, talk in English, but you want the subtitles to be in Spanish, it needs internet access to be able to translate that for you in real time. So, you can use Office 365 just for the presentation. You can still create your PowerPoint in regular Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and you can also upload it to your OneDrive and access it through the internet. Or you can go just straight to Office 365 and upload it from there. So I'm using a presentation that I made in the past to show you guys how to do this. So when you first open the PowerPoint that you want to present with subtitles and captions in Office 365, you click on Slideshow. And this will pop up. It says always use subtitles. Make sure it always says that. I'm going to have the subtitles be below the slide. You can do top, bottom, over the slide. I'm going to do below the slide. So it's going to pop up with a little bar to show the words that I am saying. You can also do above the slide as well, and it would do pretty much the same thing, just opposite. So then you have the spoken language. You need to tell PowerPoint what language you are speaking in so that way it translates correctly. So right now I have it set to English US, and then subtitle language, the language that the subtitles will pop up in, is also in English. I have it set to that right now. Click always use subtitles, and then play from beginning, and you must click it from right here. It'll pop up with this black bar below the screen slide. You can, as I said before, have it on top of the slide. And as you can see, it is now putting what I am saying right now to you into my slideshow. So, another great thing that Office 365 with live captions and subtitles that it can do is that, let's say you are giving a presentation, you are teaching a lesson in a classroom, and you are saying it in English, but you have an English language learner new to the class, speaks mainly Spanish. So I have it set to English because I am going to be speaking English. And we're going to scroll down and translate it to Spanish, which is right here. Always use subtitles. Click play from beginning. Border pops up. You begin. Hello. This is my presentation on long-term memory, reaching every student. And as you can see, it has translated it to Spanish down below. So let's say you go to France and you're teaching abroad, and you're teaching to a class that mainly only speaks French. And just so that way they become more accumulated with the language English, you want your subtitles to be in English. So I have it set to French. So you as the teacher is teaching abroad, you need to speak French, but you're also hoping that they learn English. You have your subtitles in English as well to be more acquainted with the language, written language. Click play from beginning. Bonjour, je m'appelle Rebecca. As you can see, it translated it. And if you actually speak in English, but you have your subtitles set to English, but your spoken language is French, it will kind of get confused. So that is why you make sure that your spoken language is set to whatever you are saying the entire presentation in, and your subtitle language is either English or Spanish, Latvian, if you really want, all that fun stuff. So that is how you use live captions and subtitles with Office 365. So that way you can teach every student. And again, I use screencast-o-matic for this. Posting this to YouTube on my channel, there's also another video of me using screencast-o-matic. Screencast is a perfect tool right now during the COVID-19 situation to be able to create whatever it is you're doing online. It's a good way to, if I wanted to, I could go through using English and attach the English. If I wanted to, I can create a video right now using screencast-o-matic. I want subtitles on it as well for closed captioning, and do my presentation and also teach a lesson that way, only using online and computers. All right, thank you guys for watching.